Now that you've prepped your spray area and are familiar with your sprayer, it's time to start it up. As a first step, if your sprayer is new or has been in storage, you'll want to flush out the storage fluid. Be sure to put on your safety glasses before getting started. To flush out your sprayer, turn the prime spray valve to prime. Separate the drain tube from the suction tube and place the drain tube into a waste pail. If spraying oil-based materials, submerge the suction tube in mineral spirits or compatible cleaning solvent. If spraying water-based materials, submerge the suction tube in water. If your sprayer has the push prime feature, press it twice to loosen the inlet ball. Make sure the sprayer is plugged into a grounded outlet. Turn the power switch on. Slowly turn the pressure control knob clockwise until the pump starts. Allow fluid to flow out the drain tube into the waste pail for about 30 seconds until the fluid is running clear. Turn the power switch off. You are now ready to fill the pump and gun with paint. Now, submerge the suction tube into the paint pail, leaving the drain tube still in the waste pail. The prime spray valve should still be pointing in the prime position. Turn the power switch on. The sprayer's motor should begin to run. When the paint comes out of the drain tube, turn the sprayer off. Disengage the gun trigger lock, point the gun inside the waste pail, and squeeze the gun trigger. Keep the trigger squeezed while you turn the prime spray valve to the spray position, then turn the power switch on. Continue triggering the gun into the waste pail until you see paint coming out of the gun. Release the trigger and engage the gun trigger lock so the trigger cannot be accidentally squeezed. The sprayer, hose, and gun are now loaded with paint. Clip the drain tube back onto the top of the suction tube so both tubes are in the paint pail. Before installing the spray tip and guard, double check that the gun trigger lock is engaged. Make sure the metal seal and black rubber gasket are in the guard. Attach the spray tip and guard assembly into the gun and hand tighten the retaining nut. Be sure that the arrow-shaped handle of the spray tip is pointing forward and that it's inserted completely into the guard. Remember to turn the pressure clockwise to increase the spraying pressure to high spray.